Welcome to the tutorial. Now I'm going to share the Microsoft Excel how to sum up the value. So this is an example. We need to sum up the salary to get the total. So we select the whole column and then you can see here we have the auto sum. So we just click on it. So this is the value. Already sum up. Okay. So for this overtime rate and hour rate, we need to multiply and then we have to sum up the total pay. So for this case, we click a new column in I. So we click here, the spacing here, put equal. So we get G, we need to get the 3 is under G2, G2 multiply by H2. So you will see the G2 is auto selected, 3 multiplied by H2 and click enter. So this is the formula, multiply 3 multiplied by 10 equal to 30. Then follow up, we just click the corner, right bottom corner and scroll down to the end. It will copy all the, it will automatically copy all the formula. See, it's multiply. Okay, and then we sum out this value, select auto sum. This is the value. Overtime rate, multiply hour rate, and sum up. Thank you for watching.